Spotting a bird, a simple guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, spotting a bird. This common expression can be a bit puzzling for non-native speakers, but don't worry, we're here to make it as clear as a sunny day. Spotting a bird seems straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. In English, spotting means to notice or see something, especially something that is hard to see or recognize. So, when we talk about spotting a bird, we're referring to the act of noticing a bird, particularly when it's not immediately obvious. This phrase is often used in everyday language, but not always in a literal sense. For example, birdwatchers use it to describe seeing a bird during their observation trips. However, it can also be used metaphorically. Saying, "I'm good at spotting birds," could mean that someone is observant and good at noticing details, not just actual birds. In some cultures, birds are symbols of freedom or happiness. Therefore, spotting a bird can sometimes carry a deeper meaning, like finding a moment of joy or a sign of hope in daily life. This shows how language can be filled with cultural nuances. Let's see how this phrase works in sentences. 1. While hiking, I enjoyed spotting birds in the forest. 2. She has an eagle eye for spotting birds, even the most camouflaged ones. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, spotting a bird, and its various uses in English. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the stories and cultures they represent. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be spotting new phrases with ease. See you in our next video.